far they have Batam Center, they all only the shopping mall. So I think more selection will be town area. So KTM Resort now have, but for KTM Resort, that one only the sea, facing the sea, very near to the Singapore. That one is for relax. If you want, can shopping, can relax, will be maybe town area better. The 4-star, you can swimming there, whatever they got the facility.
Yeah, I think I will. You have a number. I call you back lah.
Yeah, never mind.
You go makan, I will call you back.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.